Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have covered the topics netcat, socat, and ncat. And today we'll be covering our fourth topic, that is basically Cryptcat. What exactly is Cryptcat? It is, as the name stands, as you can understand from the name, it is crypt. Crypt means encryption. Okay. It is netcat with encryption. Now you can encrypt the data pipe, proxy, or relay. What is the advantage of that? Hackers can keep netcat traffic hidden so that nosy admins would have to do more than just sniff the network to find out what they were up to. Okay. Cryptcat uses an enhanced version of two-fish encryption. If your netcat usage includes an instance of netcat running somewhere in listening mode, and a separate instance of netcat being used to connect to it. So one instance of your netcat is running in listening mode and one is basically used to connect to it. Then your cryptcat gives you the added advantage of securing that sort type of connection. This is the main use of cryptcat. Thank you very much. If you like the video you just saw, please consider hitting the like button and letting us know. Also, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Stay awesome and see you next time.